Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tonkotsu broth. First, blanch your pork bones, typically trotters and femurs, for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step removes impurities, ensuring a clean-tasting broth. After blanching, rinse the bones meticulously under cold running water, scrubbing away any remaining scum. Then, transfer these sparkling clean bones into your largest stock pot, ready for the long simmering process ahead. Now cover your bones with plenty of cold water, making sure they are completely submerged. Bring this to a rolling boil over high heat, which helps extract all the delicious flavors and collagen. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a vigorous simmer. You want to maintain a strong, consistent boil, not just a gentle one, for at least 8 to 12 hours or even longer to achieve that signature creamy texture. Throughout the simmering process, it's important to continuously skim any foam or scum that rises to the surface, keeping your broth pure. For added depth, consider adding aromatics like a few slices of fresh ginger, several cloves of garlic, and the green parts of green onions during the last 2 or 3 hours. The key to that rich, creamy tonkotsu is maintaining a high, vigorous simmer, which emulsifies the fats and collagen, creating its distinctive milky appearance. After many hours, your tonkotsu broth is ready for the final steps. Carefully strain the entire pot through a fine mesh sieve, separating the liquid from the bones and aromatics. Make sure to press down on the solids to extract every last drop of that precious, flavorful liquid. Finally, season your rich, creamy broth with salt to taste. It's now ready to be enjoyed as the base for your delicious ramen or stored for later use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.